gray because my hair has foundation in it, but I use this, the 40, and this. I put a little bit of moisturizer down here because it looks really, really like dry. And then I'm gonna add a little more concealer, and then I'm gonna use this if I can. I was gonna try a lip liner, and I probably should have. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go over that with another red. Or maybe I should have waited till the end so I can see what I end up with. But I just got this, and I'm amazed, so I decided to try it. This is absolutely phenomenal. I don't even know where to start. I think I'm gonna go in with this one, Orbit. It's like a cream red shimmer. Sorry. I'm confused. I'm blendy in my head right now. Ugh, this child part is coming out. Why? Under eye trick didn't work, so I'm actually going to try and use the setting spray trick. My eyes kind of look orange instead of red. I mean, the setting spray is supposed to melt the powder, you know? But I don't know. Right there looks nice and straight and not creased and everything. This one isn't cruelty free, but I tried to buy that Nyx one as a dupe for this, and it's much easier to work with and it smells better. But blush from this palette, I'm gonna try Bliss. A little darker and pinker with this twist color. I'd like to blend that a little better, but not make it darker. So some amazing looking highlights in here. I'm gonna try one called Lit. I'm just gonna turn this. I don't know what they look like, but that is nice. Actually, that's nice. I'm gonna go a little on the nose. Perfect. Let's do my contour with this. I'm definitely dissociating like a lot already. Alright, it's not as like cohesive as I was trying for. Let me see if I can get the foundation like to kind of blend out of the hairline. I look like I have a gray roots, and I swear I don't yet. Of course, my red earrings. It looks like coppery orange. It doesn't look like red up there, and I'm not that happy with the blend. I'm gonna try a little bit more. I don't want fallout though. Let's get the brows up out of the way. I'm really spaced out right now, actually, which means I'm dissociated. Surprise, surprise, because I have to visit people today. That looks somewhat... somewhat. I'm gonna add black smoky eye to the waterline. Black smoky eye, black eyeliner is what I meant. I'm trying to just do the waterline, but I'm new at this, so it might smudge a little bit. I just love the way that looks so much. It's so subtle, and it's such a small thing, but I just think it adds a little bit of like, you know, like, zhuzh. I don't want fallout today, and I don't know if that's going to happen. There's powder in the creases, so I'm just kind of going over it with the setting spray brush. Oops. I'm going to curl my lashes and do mascara, and then I think that might be it. I got a NYX red liquid lipstick called Sizzlin' at first, and I'm pretty sure it's gone bad. I'm pretty sure it was bad when I got it, because it really sucked and it smelled weird. I just thought, hey, maybe the red formula is different, but actually I think it was bad. But I got another one called this one. It's not called this one. It's called It's Hotter. And it's not like that at all. However, it's starting to smell a little weird already. So either their red formula is just a little wonky, because I love like the nudes and pinks, and I have an orange, I have a purple, I have a black. It's just, I love these, but I think the reds just aren't as good. So I'm gonna try to do a video about them, even though they're not new to anybody. And then I might declutter the reds at some point, because especially the Sizzlin' one, if I don't feel comfortable wearing it, like, what's the point? You know? I'm gonna just blend the contour in a little bit more. I don't want it to smear underneath, but I'm not sure that the waterline is even still lined. The white one of these, this NYX thing, is amazing, and the black one just isn't the same. It's so weird. That's partly why I think the red liquid lipsticks just aren't as good, because sometimes it just happens that way. Get Cosmetics. Gift. Love it. Love it. Okay. I'm done for now. Oh no. Today's not a good day. I don't like that. A little bit up around there, please. Come on. Yes, I'm singing to my brow products. Please don't fall into my under eye like you do. Tell me I didn't just get a huge line. Okay. Whatever.